Why, hello. Welcome. This is going to be a very grounding practice to connect to our mind, body, spirit, and nature. My name is Jessica. I will be your guide today, and let's go ahead and get started. So go ahead and place one hand to each side of your mat, please, and close your eyes. Take a breath in. And as you exhale, soften through your entire body. Let everything melt as your spine gets a little bit taller. Inhale, breathe in. Audible exhale, release any tension. One more breath in. Audible exhale out. Beautiful. Slowly blink your eyes open. Inhale, reach your hands up overhead. Look up at your palms. Inhale, I am. Exhale, open your heart, goal post your arms. Imagine that the sun is lifting your heart up. I am connected. I am grateful. I am grounded. Inhale and release your hands behind your back. Make a fist, open your heart even more. Inhale, I am. Exhale, fold forward with your fist up and over your head, connected. Shake your head, yes and no. Inhale, come up. Head goes back, palms connect behind you. Drop your fist even closer to the earth. Exhale, fold forward. Grounded. I am grounded. Inhale, open your heart. I am. Head goes back. Exhale, fold forward. Grateful. Come back up with an inhale. Let's find some shoulder rolls here. Big shoulder rolls in one direction. Opening up your heart to the possibility of connecting even more. Change directions. Keep your breath going. You can roll one shoulder forward at a time. It might feel kind of funky the first time you do it, but the more often that you do it, change directions, the better you're going to feel. It's kind of like somatic yoga here. We're just moving with our bodies, what feels good for us. Inhale, palms, reach up. Exhale, go ahead and plant one hand down to your side, reach up and over with the other hand as you open your heart. Just spiral open a little bit more. Inhale. Exhale, reach deep. Inhale, both palms come up. Exhale, change sides. Inhale, reach up. Exhale to find a nice little twist to one side. Inhale, find length. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Gaze over your back shoulder. Inhale, both arms reach up. Exhale, let's change sides. Inhale, find length. Come out of it just a little bit. And then exhale, can you twist a little bit deeper? Yeah. And then from here, let's go ahead and bring the soles of our feet together in front of us and give ourselves a little foot massage. Our feet are what connects us to nature the most, right? So our feet deserve some love too. Our feet deserve a lot of love, actually. Give yourself a nice little foot massage here. Inhale, find length. Exhale, let's fold forward. You can hinge at your elbows, drop your head down. And if it feels good, maybe you can walk your hands in front of you today. Inhale, find length through your spine, and then exhale, maybe walk your hands even further away from you. Getting into your hips. Inhale, come up. Go ahead and find the middle of your mat and bring the soles of your feet to the mat. Find a tall seat. Inhale, your arms reach up. Exhale, lower your shoulders down. Your knees, ankles, thighs, everything here connects. Inhale, reach up, look up, engage your core, and then let's slowly lower down as slow as you can go. Try for 20 seconds, engaging your core, one vertebrae at a time. Breathe here. And when you're ready, stretch your arms long, stretch your legs long. Reach for one of your wrists, then walk your feet and your hands over off of the mat. Breathe here. Inhale, come to center. Exhale, let's change sides. Nice little half moon stretch. Should feel awesome. Hug your knees in. Cradle yourself here. Wrap your hands around your shins and then sway softly from side to side, massaging your kidneys and your low back. And then when you're ready, come to stillness, legs up the scat pose. How about that today? A little bend in your knees if your hamstrings are tight. Arms up the sky as well, like we can circle our wrists in one direction with an inhale. Change directions with an exhale. Fingers and toes towards you. Inhale. Exhale away. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and tee out our arms, tabletop our knees over our hips. Inhale. Exhale, drop your knees over to one side as you gaze to your other. Here's another opportunity for you to kind of turn inward and close your eyes. Envision the most beautiful place that you've ever seen in nature, in this world, the most beautiful natural setting. Inhale, tabletop your legs. Exhale, drop over to the other side. There is so much beauty in nature. And when we're more calm, we can actually see that beauty even more, right? When we're rushing through our everyday life, come to center with an inhale and sway to side. It's harder for us to be able to see the beauty around us. So slowing down with practices like mindfulness, yoga, meditation, that can all help us to feel more grounded and more connected to our mind, our body, our spirit, and nature. So when you're ready, forehead comes to your knees. Give yourself a big hug for showing up here. And then exhale. Let's take up a lot of space here for our final Shavasana. You can shimmy your shoulder blades behind you to create a little shelf for your heart. And then maybe place one hand on top of your heart and the other hand on top of it as well too. Close your eyes here and let everything fully relax. Inhale. I am. Exhale. Connected. Inhale, I am. Exhale, grateful. Breathe in, inhale. I am. Exhale, grounded. You are grounded, connected to your mind, body, spirit, and our beautiful planet. Allow everything to just melt into the mat and imagine that you are like a tree with roots grounding down into your mat, through the floor beneath you, and into the soil, into all of the different elements of Earth. Breathe here. You're more than welcome to stay here for as long as you'd like. I encourage you to stay here for at least another few minutes, if not longer. But if you're ready to move forward with this newfound energy, you can begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes a little bit, maybe sway your head from side to side. Inhale, your arms reach long overhead, your feet come together. And give yourself another big hug. Roll over onto your favorite side and just stay here for a moment, connecting even deeper to yourself, your breath, your mind, body, and spirit, and this beautiful planet that we are so lucky to live on. And when you're ready, you can begin to slowly make your way up to a comfortable position. Easy seat, Sukhasana. Sway from side to side. Inhale, reach up, I am. Palms connect. Exhale, hands to heart connected. Give yourself a big massage at your heart space. And I encourage you today, with each breath that you take, to keep this sense of connection to your mind, your body, your spirit, and nature. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you feel more vitalized than when you started. Namaste, friends.